for non-profit. For profit, I have my own company called Shuhari Agile, and I do agile training, consulting, and coaching, and that's how I make my living. Yeah. Thank you so much, and I now hand over or would like to call Tina. Tina is going to take us through a game session and an exercise session basically, where we would be learning three things: communication, collaboration, teamwork. And I think these three are the cornerstones of Agile. Correct? Teamwork is what Agile is all about. Collaboration is what Agile is all about. So I hand over to Tina. Tina, please.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, going to keep you all agile. So we need to make groups. And how many of us are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20. How many? 25. So we can have 5 groups of 5 people, or we can have 4 groups of 24. I think that'll be better, huh? 6 people in a group. Yeah. So we'll have 4 groups, right? So shall we have 1, 2, 3, 4? So we'll have 6 people in that. Is that right? Quick. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
no, only till 4. So 1 again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Remember your numbers.
We have 4 groups then. We have 4 groups of 6.
Yeah.
So 1 again. 1.
3, 4,
5.
No 1.
1.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3,
4, 1.
Okay, great. So could we have the 1s together, 2s together, 3s together, and the 4s together? Yeah.
3,
Quickly. We need to collaborate, we need to communicate, and we need to be agile as well. So we don't have much time. 2.
Come this one, 2.
Do not hurt each other, and
You can come this.
please take care of hotel.
2.
We have 6 people in each group now. Will you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think one group will have 5. That's okay. Otherwise we have, right? Okay, people, look on the board over here. We're going to make newspaper bridges. Okay? So I'm going to give you resources of newspapers, and you're going to get 1 scissor, and you're going to get sellotapes. I'm going to give you 5 minutes now to collaborate between yourselves, strategize, plan how you're going to make this bridge out of a newspaper, which needs to be freestanding. You can't tape it on the floor, nor on the table, or nor on the chair. Okay? Means it can't be floating around, but you can have it standing somewhere like this, say for instance, or on a chair or a table. Sorry, this place has a little limited space, but we'll make use of as much space as we have. Am I clear?
Yes.
Any more information? You need to make a newspaper bridge which is freestanding. Your resources are also there. Newspaper, scissors and sellotapes. And it needs to be high enough for a 12-inch scale to move. Okay? And strong enough for a potato to stand, which I have with me. Okay? So, am I clear?
Yes.
Now, time starts now. You have 5 minutes. It's also very time organized. So your time starts now. You need to collaborate with each other and plan your strategy. Yes, question before that, huh?
Can we see the potato?
Yes, I will. I will show you everything, don't worry. Where the hell is it now?
Sure. Yeah, I do.
Okay. I have the potato and I have the scale. Right. Okay. This is it. Right. It needs to be strong enough for the potato to hold, and we can take pictures after that as well. So we'll see how well you make your newspaper bridges. Am I clear? Do you want any more information?
The scale is for the height of.
Height. The scale is for the height, potato is for the strength. So it will be like this. Clear? Okay? So you need to start. Huh? Tell me. Everything I'll give you, but first you need to plan. Resources are given later. Okay? Resources are not going to be given now, otherwise you'll start using the resources. I want you to sit down or stand or whatever it may be, start communicating with each other and find out a strategy, a plan of how you're going to create this bridge out of newspapers, scissors and sellotapes only. It's a bridge. I don't know. You can have 3-legged bridge, you can have a 2-legged bridge or 6-legged bridge. I don't know. Your own. I don't need to touch anything. I'll give you everything.
He's a volunteer.
Top of it, we can make it fancy by adding this.
Okay, are we ready, people? Yes. Ready? 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 What about that group? Ready?
Yes.
Yes? We are ready. Am I right? Yes. There is a limit. You will get about 18 sheets of paper. 18? 1 8.
One question.
Yes.
One more question. We have to make bridge like this, or like this? Any way.
I don't know. Your bridge can be anything. Okay?
Only constraint
Height is what is important. And the strength is what is important.
The height is like only the tower height or.
No, scale has to go.
Scale. Tall enough for the scale to go through. Okay? Or at least high enough for the scale, as high as the scale. So 12 inches height, in short. Am I right? Okay. Okay, are we ready, people? Yes. I'm going to give you resource now. Yes? And you're going to give the resource is going to be 18 sheets of newspaper. 18 sheets of newspaper, 2 sellotapes, okay, and 1 scissor. Clear? Yes? Okay, shall we give them? Your resource is here. Don't start till I tell you. Okay, please don't start till I tell you. Okay, that's for you, people. You give this? Okay. Now listen to me, people. I'm giving you some more instructions now. At this point, please see to it that you divide the papers into half, because I'm going to break up your team into 2. Okay? Your teams are going to be broken up into 2. One part of the team will be there, the other part will be over here. Possible? We'll try.
Yes.
Okay? Yes? So that one part of the team will make one side of the bridge, the other part will make from the other side of the room. Okay? So let's not mix each other and do it in such a way. And one more googly, no talking. Yes? No talking, that's all. Zipped. You can communicate whichever way you want to. Right? Lips closed. You can do whatever you want, but no talking. Time starts now, and I'm giving you 7 minutes to build one side of the bridge. And I will have, okay, so quickly. Can we have them into 2? Make a paper half, people. 9 sheets.
Is it necessary?
You can do what you want. Think out of the box, people. Don't think within the box, right? Chalo, you need to move away from the so 3 people can do that. Is it possible? 3 people, that's it. Chalo. 3 people this side. 3 people here, okay. Together but still not talking, and you will bring the bridge together. Come. Bring the bridge together but still not talking preferably. Please, that's the best thing. Are you listening? And 7 minutes more again to bring the bridge together. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? 5 minutes is too much. I will give you 2 minutes more. Okay? Quick. But I don't think we are all ready, so you still want to buy time? Yeah. How much more time? Hold it. Yeah, test it. Press 15 seconds. Okay. Countdown begins. 15 seconds more. Five. 4, 3, 2. Come on, guys, not bad, very good. And come on, there we are. Ready? Let's try the potato and let's see the height. Where is the scale? Okay. Now we've already done with you, so it's nice. Good job. Which group is that? One. Wow. Good. Group 1. This is group 3. Group 3. Okay. We'll see the height first.
Yes.
Decent enough. Shall I put the potato? Or you want to try to put the potato? You put the potato if you want to, as slow as possible. Don't hold it. No holding, no holding. Oh! Good job. Okay, let's try this. I like this fancy one here. I've never seen a bridge like this. Okay. Height पे तो चलेगा.
Slowly.
Slowly. Tan tan tan. Not bad. Very good.
Okay.
Wow. Will it? Please wait. Okay. Good job. Right. Okay. All of you have done a fantastic job. Please sit down in your groups. Please sit in your groups. Okay, I have 3 questions for you, which I would like you to discuss and answer within your group. Okay, first question. What are your learnings out of this activity? Will you discuss and then we will okay? Will you please write down the first question? What are your learnings out of this activity? Number 2, you have something to write on? Quickly, you take this as you want. Yeah, there is some paper over here too. What are your learnings? What are your challenges? What were your challenges? Okay? Learnings, challenges, and how you can relate this activity to your work. Everything comes from work, right? So let's also relate this activity to work. 3 questions only. Will you please answer? Yeah? Learnings, challenges, and how can I relate this activity to my work? Correlation to work. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Please assign one person to speak for your group. Ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
So ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
So ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
So ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
So ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
So ready? Done? Assign one person to speak, please. Each group, one person will talk for their group.
Team number 3.
Come. You want to talk? Let's hear her. She's going to talk, so let's all listen to her. What's your name?
My name is Sudha.
Sudha. Okay. Go ahead, Sudha.
The learning from this activity is to deliver any product. We first need to have a proper planning and understanding. First is understanding about the requirement, planning, and teamwork
Yes.
and time management.
Okay. Good.
And challenges are time constraint,
Yes.
communication, skill, and collaboration.
Very good. Excellent. Anything that you can talk for related to work?
Yeah, that is like for delivering any product, we first need to understand and then plan in terms of time and resource.
Very good.
Then we can deliver a good.
Excellent. Thank you, Sudha. Next group. Anyone?
Yeah, we.
Go. Come. Doesn't matter. Everybody has to speak somehow or the other.
Who wants to? Okay, learning. So in reality, we are all we just met and then new team members, but then collaborating with the new team members.
Yes,
And
good.
then also coming to a common understanding that okay,
Yes.
okay, this is the problem, what we are talking about, and bringing everyone on the same page. That is one basically
Yes.
how to work with new people.
Yes, good.
Second learning is about this subject is completely different. So we never did this. So it's we only know about programs and then
Yes.
how to give strength using this piece of papers and how to build a strong structure. So that's from domain point of view, subject point of view, it's a learning for us. Challenges, of course, lot. So first thing is resources, and you're asking us to build a bridge using piece of paper. So again, it's a really tough challenge. So we expected some cement and give us. Okay. The second challenge is again communication. So you specifically said that okay, no communication, no talking.
Yes.
And yes, so working in that sort of silent mode, that was very difficult.
Yes.
Even people were sitting so close, but then not talking and not exchanging ideas. Sometimes while after we start working and then we are getting some ideas, but then we are not supposed to exchange. So then we could not take their energies, basically all the strengths together. So it's not a synergy.
Great.
Second thing is challenges, of course, again time
Yeah.
and coordination with work. And at the beginning, the team is divided into two teams, and then working on the same product or same basically outcome. So how to work together. in reality. So we always do, we'll have multiple development teams, multiple testing teams, or multiple cross-functional teams, but then we need to work together and then heading towards the common goal. But then we also want to know before stepping away, we also want to know, okay, who's working on what, so how it's impacting things like that. It's a very close to the real-time situation, so that way it's relating into
Excellent. At times you are so close but you still don't talk, right?
Yeah.
And times you have even your, wherever you're, it's all across borders as well. Sometimes you're working across borders and these are challenges when you cannot communicate. So, that's the reason I had you not talking, because it could be somebody in the UK or it could be here or wherever it could be, and there are challenges with regard to communication with that too.
And the final challenge was we did not have the pattern scale with us.
Who asked you not to ask?
Yeah.
Right?
Actually, they didn't
Yes,
give it for us.
you're all testers, so you should have a, a testing point over here.
Yeah.
And I didn't say I'm not going to give it to you. It was there in front of you. Okay, good job. Very nice. Thank you very much.
For the learning perspective, first we divided the roles and responsibilities. Means three of us going to do the base and three of us going to do the pillar. Like that we divided it. That is actually that is the vital role here. And proactiveness and planning as soon as possible. Then we take the piece of paper and we make it a graph, like what is the planning we have to do, and that is also a good thing. And adaptiveness and requirement understanding. By using that images, we understand what we have to do. And goal oriented, our goal is to put the potato on the place. Then teamwork, and we did the testing 3 or 4 times. Put the potato and try it in one corner and try it in another corner and put it in the middle, like that. And the challenges what we faced is expense criteria, because there is not the small potato, that is very big. And limited resources and communication, because that is major challenge, and meeting the deadlines within the time frame we have to do it. And other thing is related to work. What we learned is first planning, and second one is requirement clarification and understanding the understanding ability, and last one is mindset. And the people who are in the team, we have to work together. That thing we have to learn.
Good, very nice. Thank you very much. Lastly, come.
I think everyone have spoke already.
Doesn't
about
matter,
communication,
whatever you have, just
collaboration,
tell us.
everything. I just like to add from my team few points. Challenges and even communication. Communication was the problem. I mean, how to communicate. I mean, we were unable to communicate, and we are new to build with the whatever is given to us, and distributing the work among us, and time frame. How within this time how we need to build how we have planned within us the 3 people will build the pillars and 1 people will build the flat things, and planning. Obviously we have learned how to plan among resources or within the time, and the strategy, what strategy to apply and all. Then that's it.
Good job, very nice. Let's go to this activity we've learned from ourselves. Did I have to tell you anything? I think you did it yourself. Good job, excellent. Okay, I've got a short debrief session, so we'll do that as well. What was your initial reaction to this exercise? Confusing, right? Not possible. Possible? Newspaper, freestanding, only sellotapes, only 1 scissor, not possible. Agree? But all of you all made it. So what is your learning out of that? Nothing is impossible. Right? I can do it. So think on those lines. And these changes which come in our lives, we are taken aback by them. Am I right? Yes. And that's about Agile. You're taken aback by the change, but you still can manage it. It's not that you cannot. It's just that the mindset needs to be changed. That I can. Right? Okay, next one. Not allowed to speak. Again, communication barrier, which I had with you. You would be communicating across borders. And initially I told you to sit and strategize and plan, and you all knew that you could talk. Googling, can't talk. Right? So again, change. which came in your life over here. And you crossed it. It's not that you didn't cross it, okay? So resources, your thoughts with regard to your workplace? You know it. Resources are always in short supply, never going to be, given to you in extra that you can do that, right? So this is something which I had. Team split. Give your feeling.
Distributed.
Yeah. When again your team was split, what happened?
Like parts of the work should be done in two separate, and again we need to integrate and we need to come up with a solution.
Correct. So all of you needed, weren't you all an integral part of your team? Yes? Initially you were all working together, then you were only 3 of you or 2 of you, but all of you were an integral part of your team. So each team member contributes to whatever it may be in an organization. However small or insignificant it can be, but yes, you are a vital element in your team. Right? Okay. Next. Challenges putting the bridge together when you go back with your team. Some of you quickly thought of another way. Did your original plan work, or did you have a recourse to a change of plan?
Original plan.
Original plan worked. Anybody who had change of plan? Yes. We all have plan A, right? That was in your mind. You had planned, you had strategized, and you had that in your mind, but when you got together, there was something going wrong. So you had to change your plan. So you have a plan A in place, but you don't have a plan B in place. So you need to have a contingency plan as well. Okay, if this doesn't work, I need to have another plan working for me side by side as well. So if that happens, it will be good for you, okay? So, and congratulations. Now how's the feeling?
Great.
Yes? Done a good job of it. Any other questions? Yes, I think all of you have anyway given a good feedback and a good debrief about the whole thing. This was only to add to this as well. So let's come to communication. What do you think is communication? Do you need to communicate with the work that you're doing? Yes? Right? So give me a quick answer to what is communication.
Ability to express your ideas effectively, efficiently, and very clearly without any ambiguity.
Very good, excellent. Anybody else? Good job, very nice. Anybody else?
Share ideas.
Share ideas, yes, good.
And more of it, I would say, after sharing your ideas, you would have to convince the other part.
Absolutely.
The other person.
Convincing ability is a part of communication as well, especially from where you come.
Anyone can think, but making the other person agree in a team, that is more important.
And that's what you had right now as well, right?
Each
Each one of
was
you
there.
had to agree to the common ground that this is how you will make your bridge. And you all had to come to that term, right? Okay, good job. Anything else?
Sharing your thought so that the other person will understand it in your way.
Absolutely right. What I speak is not necessarily is how you understand. Agreed? What my interpretation could be something, your interpretation can be something else. I don't come from a technical background the way you are, so my way of thinking will be pretty different from your way of thinking. And therefore, how you explain to me your testing process is very important. Because I am a layman, completely. So that's, that's your communication over here as well. And any other thoughts? Anybody else wants to speak? A simple word, but it has lots of connotations. Agree? So let's go forward. Right? Communication is a two-way interaction between two parties to transmit information and have mutual understanding between themselves. Right? Communication is not what I say, but how it's understood by the listener. Very important as well, because you need to get a feedback. When you get a feedback, the channel is complete, otherwise the channel is not complete. Let's see something more. And effective communication. Let's see about the first one. Expressive speaking, what do you understand? Simple terms I've used, not something high funda over here at all. Expressive speaking.
Show expressions while speaking.
It's not gestures, but at least be expressive, because if I'm expressive, what happens? If I'm going to stand like this and speak to you, what is going to happen? I'm not open with you. You'll never be with me. You'd be bored. You're not there. Okay? You're somewhere else then, and I'm somewhere else. So it needs to have some expression when you speak because the other person needs to understand what you're trying to convince him. The convincing ability comes with expression, right? Empathetic listening, like you were in a team, all of you were speaking, all of you had to come to a common ground and each one had to listen to the other person because each one had to contribute something. If you do not contribute, then you do not get any listening ability as well. Agreed? Yes? Next one, persuasive or convincing ability. That again comes with expression. The way my thought structure is that, as you said, you need to be structured in your thoughts. When you're structured in your thoughts as well, you will have the convincing ability. Otherwise, you'll be all over. You'll start from below and then end up at the beginning. Sensitivity to feelings. Working in a team, right? We are all human. We are not made of brick and mortar. So you need to understand each one has a feeling behind it, and if you can go across and understand, that's called empathy as well. Not sympathy. Sympathy is only lip service. Empathy is when you put yourself in the other person's shoe and understand what he's going through. And that's when empathetic listening comes. Okay? Information management. Loads of information, right? This world has lots of information. But then it can be an information download. Too much is too much. Less is less, but perfect is perfect. That is what is important as well. You need to be perfect in giving information as it should be, not going around the bush. Because as a country, as a culture, we go a little around and round the mulberry bush. Agreed? Yes, we are not structured when we speak. We need to speak in a structured manner. We tend to talk like this more than straight direct. Okay? So let's go barriers, quick ones. Of course, that block our communication. Physical separation, as we separated you physically, challenged over there. Status differences, boss and I, director and I. Differences, I can't speak the way I have to speak with my friend. With my director, I'm different. Gender differences, agreed? Happens over here. Cultural diversity. Come on, you all must be communicating with other parts of the country, of the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
So have you found it difficult? Have you found it or not, right? Because their mindset is different, our mindset is different, our way of speaking is different, their way of speaking is different. So there will be some disparity. And you need to break that disparity. How will you break that disparity? Language as well. If we all work on our language, some part of it will be ironed out. Because he wants to hear, right? You want to hear what your culture speaks to you. Do you want to hear what the American speaks to you or a Britisher speaks to you? Not happy. Right? Similarly for him as well, he is not happy listening to an Indian. Because he feels Indians can't speak. It's not that we can't speak English. It's the way we speak which is not appropriate as well. So you can work on that. That's a different factor altogether. Let's take tips for effecting mood. Strive for message completeness. Can you see? It's a little small. Okay, it's a complete message. It's gone to the second. Then you have built-in feedback opportunities. It's just a building block. Don't assume immediate response, right? Don't assume that you're going to get a response depending on how you're giving. Is the message really necessary? How you give, what you give, is it necessary? Regularly disconnect from the technology. What does that mean? Sometimes a one-on-one is also required. Yes, it's very important because we are so all the time on the computer, all the time with phones or whatever, we forget the one-on-one with people. We are all humans and we want somebody to come across and speak to us rather than just be on the phone and send a message or call. Okay, so it's important you change your methodology depending upon the situation. Provide social interaction opportunities. We had social interaction over here?
Yes.
Feel good?
Yes.
That's it. That's communication. Right? Any other questions, people? Nothing? Was it good?
Yes.
Got a lot of learning out of it on your own? I didn't tell you much. You did it on your own. Tushar, I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
By the way, I have one question. What does it take to communicate? What is one thing which is required to communicate?
Willingness to communicate.
Huh?
The desire to communicate.
Desire. Let's say if you have desire, then what is the next thing?
Language.
Initiative.
Language.
Initiative.
Meaning, if I don't know language, if I can't speak, I cannot communicate.
Information.
Information is there, hence I have a desire to actually impart, right?
Smart.
Taking
I already have
initiative.
one.
Taking initiative.
Taking initiative. What does it take to take that initiative?
Motive.
Motivation.
Motive.
Motivation, motive.
Listener should be willing to.
Business should be willing.
Listener.
Listener should be willing.
You need to
Yes,
have
so
some-
we are-
Whether he is willing or not, what does it take for me to speak up? What does it take for you to speak up?
Purpose.
Purpose, motto, sharing,
Nothing.
nothing.
Correct.
Just speak up, right? According to me, what it takes is courage. Yeah? Especially in Indian culture. We are just taught to be, or probably our culture is such that we just don't speak up. We are so timid. We are so in our box, you know. Just break those shackles and just say, yeah, okay, this is what I am thinking. What's so bad in it? You know, this is what I think. I am speaking my mind. I am speaking my heart. Yeah. If I am incorrect, if I am misplaced, please correct me. That's an opportunity, right? So have courage. That's number one point that I want to actually highlight. Did you not? I actually came in the room in the very beginning and said, why are you not mingling? Why are you not talking to each other? Why are you not networking with each other? What was stopping you? Courage, isn't it? New place, new faces, so many guys in just one room. Oh my God. But then, when you were put into one group, saw how you work, it was fantastic. Yeah? So have courage and just speak up your mind and heart. Okay, number one. Number two, on teamwork point of view, from our work point of view, is client your team? Is client a part of your team? No. How many says no? No, only 1%, 2, 3. Everyone else says yes. Why yes?
Because he's the one who needs to use it eventually. So
Yes, he needs to use it. But then is he part of the team? I mean, from what I'm working, the team that I'm working with. Huh?
He's not a part of the.
He's not part of, he's not active.
But he's definitely present.
Yeah, he must be just lingering around, but but he's not active, he's
No,
not
he gives
involved,
the
he's not
feedback.
engaged.
Like, when suppose client will give
Whenever
me
you are doing
requirements,
any activity,
and when you deliver the product, they will give the feedbacks.
Correct.
So that one way.
Because that's it. When we start the project, we talk to him, and after 1 year, hey, here's the project, here's the product. That's when we talk again and take feedback, right? But between that entire 1 year, do we talk to the client?
Yes.
Oh my God, you are, come on. Who talks to the client? Please raise your hand. Between that entire 1 year, do you really? Seriously? Metrics would be there. Meetings would be there. But that's it.
will be there. Status will be shared.
Status would be shared.
Actually, we are all already half into it. That is the problem.
Half into agile. When would you be full? Alright, the point that I'm trying to make is client is also part of your team. Okay, he's just like one of us. He's not God, number one, and he's also not a demon. Yeah, both the sides are true. He's just like us. He's just human. So why can't we just have courage and speak to them? Just pick up the phone. Okay, by the way, Agile says the best way to communicate is what? Face to face. Is it no brainer? It is just common sense, but how many times do we talk to them face to face?
Not even one time.
Yes. And first thing that we say is, oh my God, he's junior, he can't face the client. What do you mean by he's a junior? He's still a human. And also on the other side, he's a human. then why can't we talk? Come on, might be some language issues, then work on it instead of ignoring it altogether, correct? So please guys, I mean, these are the basics of agile. These are the cornerstones of agile. Why just agile? Forget about agile. Still teamwork is needed, still communication is needed, correct? So let's just do it. Yeah, that was the message that we wanted to pass on. And through this exercise in a fun way. Alright, hope you had a good time. We want to felicitate some people here, especially first of all Buggathon winners. So I have so many certificates, but then I hardly see a couple of people here. So instead of me calling out names, you call out names of yours and I'll hand over the certificate. Yeah. So first name from Buggathon winners. Call out your name. Call out your name. Shravanti. Please come.
We were in the one.
Shravanti. Sorry?
We were in one.
Who? Shravanti and
Sudha.
Shravanti and Sudha. You both will have your certificates.
Sudha Amarpur.
One is Sudha.
Shravanti?
Yes.
Full name?
Shravanti Sola.
You have it? Alright. Tina, can you please felicitate them?
Thank you for the honor.
Alright, next. Name? Pradeep. Pradeep what? B. Vijay Nag. Pradeep. Amir.
Yeah.
Ending with Wala. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sultan. Krishna. By the way, if you have matching names, you may try. Just call out your first name and you will get a certificate. Dinesh, anyone? Sandeep, anyone? Gokul. Hey. Show your face.
Amit Kumar Singh.
Amit Kumar Singh. Next.
Santosh.
No, not from here. So mainly all from there. Gokul. Amit Kumar Singh. Amit. Krishna.
We're not clapping people.
Krishna.
Why?
Krishna Singh. Prasad. Sorry. No.
Sorry.
Then Krishna.
Malappuram.
Malappuram.
No, I'm coming for first time. I think.
So you are trying your luck. So Krishna Prasad present.
Santosh.
Wow, we had so many certificates and still people are not coming in. Alright, so this was just first round of Buggathon. We are going to have multiple rounds. Okay, now we will have. Yes.
Can we people join from that, or is it the winners only can participate?
We have not yet decided because so many people are actually now approaching us and saying, you know what, we want to join as well. So I'm not sure. I don't think you will be able to, but let's see. So all the winners will actually now compete pan-India across cities, and whoever would be the winner across India would get a Moto G, some cash prize, and also some goodies from ATA. So let's see who that is. Yeah. Anyone from CP BAT who is here for certificate collection? CP BAT, Bangalore, certificate collection? No? Alright, good. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Finally, a memento for Tina as well. Thank you, Tina, for coming here. Alright guys, that's all we had for you today. We would be having, yes, couple of things. Let me just show you two things, only just two things, very, very quick.